Welcome to Easy Elite English, and here we are with another useful video, very short video, how to write in standard form. For instance, you have this number, you have a given big number, now you have to write it in standard form. Now how do you write it in standard form? For instance, this is a number. Now in standard form you know that it will be 3.6, means in the whole number there will be only one digit. And after one digit you have to get a decimal point, that means it has to be 3.6 multiplied by some power of 10. Similarly 361, the next number, again the same thing, you will have to have 3.6 because the number should have only one digit in the integral part, so it should be 3.6 you will write, and again multiplied by some power of 10. So how do we write in standard form? That's one thing. And also, if you have to find the log of this number, if you are asked to take out the logarithm of this number, how do you find the characteristic? 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, because the mantissa, that is a decimal part, that you can find from the log table. But you have to put the characteristic, the whole number part. The log is 2.5314. 0.5314 you get from the log table. 2 point you have to put the number. So how do you determine the characteristics, and also how do you write in standard form? Actually both are closely related. That's why we have made one video with both. One if you know, the other is easy. Now let us see in the graphical part, particularly students confuse when it is in the form of decimal. This may not cause so much confusion, this number, but this number which is a fractional number often causes confusion. So let us see how we can eliminate the confusion using the graphics. As I told you, instead of verbiage we use graphics. Now first number 0.00036, and we want the decimal point after 3. So we have copied all the numbers but put the decimal point where we want it. Instead of putting the decimal point here, we have put the decimal point here where we want it. And see that this is the original decimal place and this is the final decimal place, that is after 3, there is the final decimal place. So see how many digits are there in between. You find that there are 4 digits. This is the original position of the decimal point and this is the final position of the decimal point, that is when you write in the standard form. So when you draw a line, you write the numbers below one another, and when you draw the vertical lines, how many digits are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 0, 0 and 3. So 4 digits. That means when you are putting the point here, the original point was 4 digits or 4 places to the left. The original point was 4 places to the left. You are putting after 3, but it should have been here. This is the place. So it should be shifted 4 decimal places, 4 places, 4 digits or 4 places to the left. You have to shift it 4 places to the left. And from number line we know that left means minus. Left means minus. So we make it 4 is the number of places. So we make it 10 power minus 4. Why minus 4? Because that decimal point which we are putting here in the original number, it was 4 places to the left. We have shifted it to the right, but it should be shifted back if you want the original number 4 places to the left. In order to shift it back 4 places, we write 10 power minus 4. So 3.6 into 10 power minus 4, this minus 4 signifying 4 digits. The 4 digits from the new position to the old position, 4 places to the left minus 4. So 10 power minus 4, and whatever is the power, that is going to be the log characteristic. So if you are writing log, it should be minus 4. Of course, we don't write minus 4, we write 4 bar, right? We don't write minus 4, we write 4 bar and then put the point and then write the whatever logarithmic value we get from the table. So it is actually minus 4, but we don't write minus 4, we write 4 bar. But if you are writing in scientific notation, you will write 10 power minus 4. Now let us take another example. This one. Again see, this is the, after 1, this is the position of the decimal place in the original one, and this is where you want after 3. So this is the current or the new decimal position. So there is the old decimal position after 1 and there is a new decimal position after 3. So you find that in order to get the original number, we have to shift it 2 digits to the right. We have actually shifted it to the left, so we have to shift 2 digits to the right in order to get back the original. And right side again in decimal in your number line, all the system, 2 places to the right would mean plus 2. Left means minus, right means plus. So 2, if you want to shift 2 places to the right to get this original number, it should be plus 2. That's why we are writing 10 power plus 2. So this number multiplied by 10 power 2. Why? Because from this notation, 3 point, if you want to get back the original number, you have to shift 2 places to the left. So we write 2 places to the right, 2 places to the right. So we write plus 2. If it is 2 places to the left, we would write minus 2. If it is 2 places to the right, we will write plus 2. We have shifted it to the left, but to get back the original number, to put it back in the original place, you have to shift it 2 places to the right. So the characteristic would be plus 2. So let us take a few examples. This is the given number and this is how you want to write. So what we do, draw a line in the original position and the final position and see that if you want to get back the original number, you will have to shift 2 places to the left. We have shifted it to the right, you have to shift it back to 2 places to the left. So we write 10 power minus 2. Here again see, draw the line in the original position and the final position. Find that only 1 place has been shifted. And if you want to get back the original number, you will have to shift it 1 place back to the left. 1 place back to the left side means minus, so 10 power minus 1. And when you take the log, the characteristic will be 2 bar or minus 2, and here will be 1 bar or minus 1. Here, see, we have drawn the line, vertical line in the original and final position. So we get only 1 place. So, but plus 1, why? Because from here, you have to shift it 1 place to the right to get the original number. So, 10 power plus 1, and the characteristic would be 1 when you take the log. Here see, draw the vertical lines. Now you find that from the new number, if you want to get back the original number, you have to go 2 places to the right. Here we have the new number and the original number it was here. So to get back the original number, you have to go 2 places to the right, and 2 places to the right would mean plus 2. So you write 10 power plus 2 and the characteristics would be plus 2. Here, see, we are drawing the lines, the original and final place. And how many places do we get? You can see that we are getting 3 places. We are getting 3 places. There is the original one and there is the final one. So from here, if you want to get back the original number, you have to go 3 places to the right. So going 3 places to the right, we have drawn the vertical line in the new position and the original position of the decimal point. So original decimal point position, new decimal point position, there are 3 digits. But from the new number, if you want to get the original number, you have to shift the decimal point 3 places or 3 digits to the right. So shifting to the right would mean plus 3, so 10 power plus 3. And the characteristic when you take the logarithm would be plus 3. So this is, all you have to do is to copy the number, mark the decimal point in the original and the new position, and draw vertical lines and count from the new to go to the old how many places you must shift. If you have to shift to the left to get the original number, it would be minus. If you have to shift to the right to get the original number, it would be plus. So graphics would make it easier, and as we told you, graphics are always much better than a lot of words. That was Easy Elite English Educational Trust. WhatsApp or email us. And now students can join us on online test on any topic of their choice. Mathematics, English language or science. Any topic of your choice, any subject, any chapter, you can tell us and appear for a free online test from your home. And this MCQ test, multiple choice question test, would actually increase your confidence and increase your command of the subject and improve your grades in school. So absolutely free of cost. You can register by sending us WhatsApp or email that you want to appear for a test on any topic, either in mathematics or in science or in English language. So we will meet again with more such useful videos. Till then, thank you and goodbye.